Good morning, guys. It's your boy Peace here from Island Stronghold. Got a job this morning. It's a shed removal. It's an 8x8. This is gonna be my first attempt to tear down the shed. Alright, so I'm a little bit nervous. Never done a shed removal before. And yeah, this customer asked me if I did it. I said, hell yeah, I do it. But it's the first time for everything, right? You gotta learn somehow, some way. Got all my tools prepped up, and I'm ready to head up to this job. So follow along and I'll take you along for a ride. Yo, what's up, guys? Your boy Peace here. I'm about to do this 8x8 shed removal. Got some of these shingles right here. Also got a dishwasher you gotta get rid of. Yeah. Once you gotta tear down this shed, first one, so don't blame your boy, alright? Peace out, guys.